Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that your expensive PlayStation, Xbox, or any other console in your home just became old in one single night. Not because Sony or Microsoft released a new machine, but because Apple secretly decided to take over your entire living room. Welcome to a future where the tiny Apple TV becomes a full supercomputer. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to Technology in the Future. Like this video and share it with your tech-loving friends because what you are about to hear will shock you. Apple TV 2026 is not a streaming box. For years, Apple TV was just a simple black box under the TV, a basic device used to watch Netflix, YouTube, or movies. It never made headlines. It never tried to compete with gaming consoles. It was quiet. It was simple. But now, massive leaks say everything is about to change forever. A complete transformation begins. The 2026 Apple TV is not upgrading. It is evolving. Apple wants to transform this small device into a full home powerhouse, a gaming console killer, a smart home brain, a high-end AI computer, all inside a box smaller than a sandwich. The A19 chip changes everything. At the center of this revolution is the new A19 chip. This is not a cheap TV processor. This is flagship smartphone technology entering your living room. Apple is taking the same power that runs advanced iPhones and turning your TV into a super fast machine. This is Apple's first bold step into serious gaming, ray tracing in your living room. The leaks say the A19 chip will support hardware-accelerated ray tracing. That means realistic lighting, reflections, shadows, graphics that usually need a big PC or next-gen console. But Apple wants to put all that inside a tiny silent box. Small box, big power. Gaming consoles are heavy. They are loud. They get hot. But Apple chips are built differently. They are powerful and efficient. This means no loud fan noise, no overheating, no giant tower under your TV, just a clean, fast, silent machine. Open worlds loading instantly. This new Apple TV will load massive open-world games in seconds. Apps will open instantly. Switching between gaming, streaming, and smart home control will feel like magic. This is not a toy anymore. It is a real console competitor. AI power for the smart home. The A19 chip also brings advanced on-device AI. This means Apple TV will not need the cloud to understand your voice. It can think instantly. Imagine walking into your room and your TV already knows it's you. Your house adjusts to your mood. Lights change. Movies are recommended automatically. Volume adjusts, all based on your mood, your patterns, and your preferences. The core of the Apple smart home. Apple TV is no longer just another device. It is becoming the central nervous system of your home. Lights, locks, cameras, climate, music, everything connected. The threat to Sony and Microsoft. This is a big problem for traditional consoles. PlayStation and Xbox have amazing hardware, but they do not have your entire digital life. Apple does. Your games, progress, and content can move from your iPhone to your Apple TV instantly. Cross-device gaming is the future. Start playing a game on your iPhone while traveling. Finish it on your Apple TV on a giant screen at home. No extra accounts. No new logins. Everything synced through iCloud. Seamless experience wins. This is where Apple beats everyone. No friction, no steps, no confusion. Just pure, smooth, simple user experience. A powerful statement. The 2026 Apple TV is Apple's message to the world. The era of big consoles is ending. The future is small, efficient, fast, and smart. 8K output leaks shocked everyone. Some insiders claim the new Apple TV will support 8K. If true, Apple is planning 10 years ahead, future-proofing the living room for the next decade. The real attack, pricing. Here is where it gets brutal. The biggest rumor is that Apple might price the base model at $99. A 99 supercomputer? If this becomes real, it destroys the traditional console market. Why spend $500 on a giant machine when a $99 Apple TV gives you high performance, AI tools, gaming, and total home control? Apple's classic strategy. Apple does not need hardware profit. They make billions from digital services. Apple Arcade, Apple TV Plus, iCloud, Apple Music. Apple gets into your home with cheap hardware and then keeps you with the ecosystem, a Trojan horse for the future. The new Apple TV is not just a box. It is Apple's secret weapon for the future of spatial computing, Vision Pro integration. This tiny device could act as a processing engine for advanced VR and AR experiences with the Vision Pro headset. They want your entire living room. The most valuable room in any home is the living room. Apple wants to own every inch of it. Movies, games, lights, audio, automation, everything controlled by one superpowered box. The most versatile device Apple has ever made. Fast, smart, affordable. The 2026 Apple TV is shaping up to be Apple's most flexible product ever. A cultural shift. This device represents a complete change in how we see home tech. No more 5 different boxes under the TV. One small device, one smooth ecosystem. If Apple hits $99, it's game over. In my honest opinion, if Apple really launches this at $99, the casual console market is finished. No competitor can match Apple's ecosystem power. The next big wave is coming. The tech world is waiting. And when this product launches, everything in the living room will change. If you enjoyed this deep dive from technology in the future, then don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any future updates. The future of your living room is small, powerful, and made by Apple.